Let's start first. I'm Mohamed Nour from Egypt. My current position, I'm a financial partner for my company. It's NewPort in Egypt. It's located in Egypt. Actually, we are working in funding some micro projects. Actually, we are doing the same like this event from time to time in Egypt regarding some small projects, very micro projects, and we are selecting which project has a great potential in the future, and some amazing ideas or an idea we are going to invest and have a return on our investment as much as we are expected. I'm invited to here as a jury. It's my first time here in Istanbul startup, but it's not my first time in Istanbul. It's actually my 15 or something like this. Okay, so that's it for now. And what I saw today, it's first day in the event, and actually I can feel the vibes of energetic young people, and some mentors are very supportive, and they might have some aggressive comments, but at the end of the day, it's very good and helpful and supporting to the participants at all in general. I can see just in a very quick event, like a couple of days or 3 days now, we have 100, we can say they are selected from many, and in one day you can see a lot of presentation and a lot of comment and a lot of guidance and mentorship from the mentors are here, located here. As well, everyone going after this event with benefits for each of them. You can see that all the presenters here are getting a great support and their guidance how they should present and how they should prepare for the presentations. What's the advantage here more than the one I attended before, that you have a variety of participants. You have many nationalities. You have, we can say it's a rainbow participants from each and everywhere. And everyone is coming with his own project or his own idea, like a new idea. It's very suitable for a small village or a small country in Africa. Some other people come from Far East and some from here in Turkey. So you can find a great variety from everywhere in the world. In Egypt, it's a local event, and actually it's focusing on the project which is important and more important for the locals. Currently, we are involved mainly in logistics and transportations, and you can say delivery goods. We are going to acquire another small company in Egypt, and we are looking forward to expand our business all over the world. And what's the most important for us, we are looking for a project or an idea which is very valuable and very, what we can say, it's very profitable somehow in the region. Because the transportation and logistics business is not that profitable in each and every region. It's due to many factors like price of fuels and the price of drivers and trucks and maintenance and so on. And that's why it's different from one region to another. As I mentioned, we already checking from time to time any new ideas coming to our desk, and what we are looking for exactly is that someone came with a well-prepared presentation, like validation study, all his data from trusted sources, like a clear study about the market, his market area and so on, and how much the demand is expected in his region, and what about the validation. Did he do his homework well or no? That's why in case we have such combination in the presentation, it's very attractive. At the end of the day, the numbers will be very clear and telling you that That's it. That's the project you are going to invest in, and you have a nice profit from it. I used to came to any place in the world with zero expectations, and let's see, we still have tomorrow full of presenters and participants, and hopefully we can find someone with well-prepared project.